Alright, 230 scale bird with the microcheli 3-blade rotor head, Lynx thin profile 3D blades. Got an up-spec motor in this one, give it a bit more whiz, but not as powerful as the 250 CFX, a bit more grunt than the standard. My own twin ESC system. Anyway, this is its maiden flight. So we'll just put her up gently and just give her a run around. Not ideal conditions, been waiting all day for the breeze to drop, but just isn't, so careful. I don't know how much of that we got. Seems that the my helmet cam here decided to flick off. Anyway, alright, we will put her up again. Ooh. Quite a bit of a breeze just coming through at the moment, which caught under the rotor there quite nicely. Yeah, I hear you.